All right, Aditya, thanks so much for joining me on the telecast. Now, India's Civil Aviation Ministry has granted no objection certificates to two new airlines, Al Hind Air and Fly Express, as part of efforts to boost competition in the domestic aviation sector. The move comes weeks after mass cancellations by the country's largest airline, Indigo, brought into focus the duopoly in the world's fastest growing aviation market. Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu confirmed the clearances and noting that the priority to diversify and strengthen India's rapidly growing aviation landscape. Both carriers are now cleared to begin preparations for operations, though they must still obtain full air operator certificates before flying passengers, and the approvals aim to reduce reliance on the dominant players like Indigo and the Air India Group, which together hold over the 90% of the domestic market. A third airline, Shank Air, already has an NOC and is expected to start services in 2026, further expanding market choices. Joining me on the telecast is my colleague Arzu Seth. Arzu, well, better late than never. Now that we have seen two new airlines will also be inducted, and we've seen the repercussions of a duopoly and a monopoly as well, with Indigo having at least over 60% of market share, and on the other hand, with the Air India Group combined at least 90%. So now, whatever decision the aviation ministry is taking, obviously they should take into consideration the fact whatever the repercussions, the mass cancellations and passengers, what the trouble they faced, that should not be seen later on, especially in the coming years.
Well, definitely a very significant and important step taken by the ministry, and also after the Indigo crisis, now there are three new airlines that are going to be added up. The first one is AI Hind Air and Fly Express and Shank Air, and these are the airlines that is going to help the passenger, because if we talk about the chaos that was that happened after the Indigo crisis, after that chaos that the Indigo has created. After that, the passengers were left with no choice. But now the Civil Aviation Ministry have given nod to two new airlines, AI Hind Air and Fly Express, which are set to take to the sky next year. And also there is one more airline. And even if we talk about both airlines receive a no objection certificate from the ministry on Wednesday, and also apart from these two carriers, Shank Air, which is based in Uttar Pradesh, is also likely to start flight operation in 2026. So in the new year, we'll see three more new airlines to be adding up, and decreasing the load of the passengers on the other, or we can say only too few airlines. And the Shank Air has already received its no objection certificate, NOC. So definitely we can clearly say, over the last 1 week, pleased to have met team from the new airlines aspiring to take wings in the Indian sky. This is what the Shank Air, AI Hind Air and Fly Express, and also while Shank Air has already got the NOC from the ministry, AI Hind Air and the Fly Express has also received their NOC. This week. This is what the Civil Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu said on the post on X. So definitely this is going to put a stop on the monopoly, and also what we say is the Indigo, as one of the largest airline, is also going to get some real picture, and also this is going to help the passengers also to get the more choices to choose their travel with. Yes.
And also talking about not just domestic airline, has the ministry said anything about extending this to the international carriers as well? Would this be extended later on as well? Because Indigo also has a major share in terms of international flights as well and routes as well. And also talking about routes, Indigo had major monopoly and duopoly in terms of Air India Group as well on several routes. So any details are coming in terms of the fact that how many routes will be allocated to these domestic carriers as well?
If you talk about the move comes even as the ministry is looking to increase the airline operations operators in the country, and which is one of the world fastest growing domestic civil aviation market, and also Indigo and Air India Group, which has Air India and Air India Express airline together cover over 90% of the domestic civil aviation market share. So definitely there are currently 9 operational domestic airlines in India, with the Fly Big, a regional airline, suspending schedule flights in October. This is what we are getting to know. And also, as you also talked about the international, yes, in the coming days also there will be an international route that will also be added up. So for the foreign passengers, yes.
All right, Arzu, thank you so much for joining me on the telecast. Now, two wanted criminals have been apprehended in Delhi after an exchange of fire in a rela.